Hello everyone, welcome to Tea's Break. Today I got two bricklink orders, and this is for my project. It's for to rebuild the Eiffel Tower, and this is my first order of the part. So I'm gonna open two of those and see what's inside. Okay, first order is from the UK seller, and there. This box is actually from Denmark, and because I found one of the parts is quite very cheap over there, and I just ordered a lot of them. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm zoom in and see what do we have. Okay, here, the pack from Denmark. I ordered a lot of dark brass gray color. This 2 by 2 corner, and also these 2 by 2 corner plate. This as well, and also these 2 by 10 plates. These 1 by 8 bricks, and these I thought it says 1 by 8 maybe? Yeah, 1 by 8 black tiles. And these ones, they are from the UK bricklink seller, and I ordered 1 by 2 plates. I think they are, I can't remember, 300s or 500s, I can't remember, or 600 maybe, because you've got, oh, they got 8 packs, I don't know, I can't remember, I need to double check. But yeah, that's my first order for my, this is my first order for my Eiffel Tower project, and I'll keep record all these and keep you guys updated. So see you in the next video.